Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As y'all read from the title, y'all be seeing my TEMU try on haul. This video is sponsored by TEMU, and y'all, I got this big old box. And it's full of stuff. I got 14 items, and by the way, y'all, it's Valentine's Day. There's some really cute roses, y'all. So yeah, it's Valentine's Day. I got some more stuff, but I don't know. But I'm gonna get into this video, y'all. So this first item I have is this Rick and Morty hoodie. It's real cute. I really love this. I'm gonna have all the link of everything I got below. So I'm gonna let y'all see me with this. The first item is really comfortable, and this is a size small. The graphics is on the back of the hoodie. It's real cute, and if you want to just go to the store or something, this will be really good for you. Next item I have is this varsity jacket, this black varsity jacket. This is the jacket. This is super cute, and it got leather on the sleeve. It's not like those jackets where the whole jacket is like cotton. It actually got leather on it. This is the jacket, really cute, and it fits really well. Next piece I have is this 2-piece gray jogging suit set. Is the top or the bottoms. So here's the jogging suit on me. It's really cute, and y'all see it's fit perfect. Well, it don't fit perfect, but like this is the size I be wanting. So yes, it's true to size if y'all want to get one of these. Next I have this green puffer vest I got. I can go ahead and slip this on actually. So this green puffer vest, period. This is so cute. I have these just plain black jeans. You can never go wrong with black jeans. And yeah, I'm gonna try these on. They are perfect fit, and I'm standing up on this chair, y'all, so y'all can really see it. Who you know, baby? Get it to the body. Period. Next pair of jeans I got are some regular blue jeans. You can't go wrong with blue jeans. The next jeans, they are also perfect fit, y'all. Like, y'all gotta get into the jeans. Like, if you wear a small, get a small. If you wear a medium, get a medium. Because, baby, it's true to size. Who you know? Next, I got, I think this is a 2-piece set. Gray 2-piece set. It's leggings came with it. Long sleeve shirt. Okay, y'all, so this is the 2-piece set. Y'all, please get into this. This is really cute. And y'all know I gotta stand up and show y'all the whole thing. Cause period. This is really cute. And I really love this. Next item I have is this brown cardigan, which is really cute. Y'all, this is the cardigan. I don't know why, but I'm starting to love cardigans really good. I have these white jeans that I have. These not jeans. This is a skirt, baby. Okay, get into the rhinestones. Y'all, so this is the skirt. I really love this skirt real bad. It's really cute, and I really like this skirt, and it's really cute. Next I have, I believe these are just some house shorts that I wanted. Oh, these not it. Why am I getting this stuff confused? Oh, it's some green pants. Let me try these on, y'all. It's the green leggings. These are really, really cute. I hardly see any green leggings, but these are really, really cute, y'all. Next, I think these the shorts I was talking about, my little half shorts, because I love me some biking shorts. I love any kind of shorts. Plus, I'm like a cheerleader, and they would be really, really good for me at practice. It's just one pair. It would be really good to walk around in the house with. Not to go out, maybe in the summer. But next, I have these white jeans. I've been needing some white jeans really bad, so they really came through with these. So these are the white jeans that I just told y'all about. They are really, really cute. And yeah, like, period. I ain't even gotta say too much because, like, y'all see it. So next, I'm not sure what this is, but we don't open it. Oh, this is just a shirt. So this is just a half a shirt. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So here's the shirt, y'all. Of course, you'll have to wear like a half a bra because me, I hate when my bra string shows. Of course, when it's like colored too. So my last piece of item I got is these. Oh, I have these shirts. They all the same size, which is a small, and they came with 3 different colors: black, brown, and it came with white. So I'm just trying one of those for y'all because, like I said, they all the same size and they all the same shirt. They just different colors. So I'm just trying one of these on. This is the shirt, really simple and cute. It's a little, I don't know how to explain this. It's not tight at the bottom, but that's real fine. But this is the shirt. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up. And I'm gonna make sure I put the link in my bio for everything that I got in case y'all have some questions. And I hope y'all like this video. And comment any videos y'all would like to see. Bye.